y'all doing today? Tonight, rather. This week's giveaway is going to be a Ozark Trail 17-in-1 Multi-Tool. 17-in-1 Multi-Tool. It's got the little toolkit here and the pouch that goes with it. Very nice piece of equipment here. Our draw for this is going to be February the 22nd. This coming Saturday at noon. This week's giveaway was sponsored by Camera Installations of North Georgia. It's owned and operated by a local guy that's been hiking with us a few times, Johnny Mendez. This guy's the real deal. Home security is growing, and Johnny Mendez will hook you up with the camera installations. That's the so you guys check them out. We'll put the website and the Facebook page in the description this week. Great tool. If you, like always, if you guys are interested, just put interest in the comments and we'll draw for this 17-in-1 multi-tool, Ozark Trail. Be sure to sign up. Thanks guys. God bless.